the man suddenly realized he had been buried alive. He reached his hand out the car window, feeling around to test the thickness of the mud above. But to his horror, thick sludge came pouring into the car. Panicked, he quickly rolled the window back up. The next second, cracks suddenly appeared in the sunroof. Frantically, the man grabbed some tape and tried to seal the gaps bit by bit. But the fragile sunroof couldn't withstand the pressure from the mud above and was about to give way completely. At this critical moment, the man spotted a steering wheel lock under his seat. He quickly grabbed it and used it to brace the sunroof. Fortunately, this actually stopped the sunroof from cracking further. Finally having a moment to catch his breath, the man picked up a water bottle from the seat and started chugging it desperately. Little did he know, this was the most foolish thing he could have done. It wasn't until the water was almost gone that the man realized his mistake. But there was no time for regret. Just when the man was about to give up hope, he suddenly noticed water dripping down from the sunroof. This gave him one last glimmer of hope. He quickly put his mouth up to catch every precious drop, not wanting to waste a single bit. But then the man suddenly realized this wouldn't solve his water shortage problem. So he pulled out his wallet, took out a credit card, folded it up, and inserted it into the plastic bottle. He then wedged the bottle against the steering wheel lock to catch the dripping water drop by drop. But before he could celebrate, the man suddenly found himself struggling to breathe. The oxygen inside the car was running out. To survive, the man quickly grabbed a folding chair from the car and pulled out the hollow steel tube from inside it. He then took a plastic bottle cap and used his nail clippers to drill a small hole in it. Finally, the man found some rope, tied a tight knot in it, and assembled the bottle cap and steel tube together. With everything ready, the man pushed the steel tube up through the sunroof, slowly working it toward the surface. But the mud was thicker than he'd expected. One steel tube wasn't nearly enough. The man instantly began to panic. Desperately, he grabbed a second steel tube, but even two weren't long enough. The man's breathing became more and more labored. Would he actually manage to escape alive?